Hey, what's up? Welcome to Geekbuying. Today we are going to take a look at the newly released phone Meizu 16S. For those who are unfamiliar with Meizu, it might be one of the most underrated smartphone brands around, delivering great value for money and a gesture-driven user interface way before Android at large. Anyway, let's unbox it. First, open the box. We see the 16S phone itself. Notice that on our Geekbuying website, all the units shipped out will be in global version, so you don't have to worry about language or OS issues. Beyond that, there's a pin, an up to 24-watt fast-charging charger, not quite as fast as Huawei, Xiaomi and OnePlus's fast-charging solutions but still pretty nippy. A pretty long USB Type-C cable and a manual, that's all. While the insides of the Meizu are no doubt cutting edge, the exterior avoids the trendy trappings of notches, hole-punch displays, and selfie cameras that pop out of the phone. Instead of making a groove in the screen to accommodate a front-facing camera, Meizu opted to use a super tiny 20-megapixel selfie camera made by Samsung that can fit within the boundaries of the display's bezel. Here I just did a quick comparison with other bezel-less phones. Which solution is your favorite? The Meizu 16S features a 6.2-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED screen with in-display fingerprint sensor. Meizu said it partnered with Samsung to bring a high-quality display focused on minimizing the harmful effects on users' eyes. The company claims its new flagship display manages to filter out 33% of harmful blue light and also supports DC dimming for reduced eye strain. The screen-to-body ratio comes at an impressive 91.53%. Around the back, the 16S features a dual-camera setup with a main 48-megapixel f1.70 IS Sony sensor with a quad bare structure and a secondary 20-megapixel f2.6 wide shooter. The new setup allows for Meizu's Super Night View, which is a night mode that can merge up to 8 photos into a single image for improved low-light photography. Another welcome addition is the multi-frame noise reduction feature. Meizu promised to bring the new camera features to older models via future software updates. Powering the internals is the Snapdragon 855. The battery cell is 3,600 mAh and comes with a 24-watt M charger capable of going from 0 to 60% in just 30 minutes. Thanks to AI optimization, Meizu claims users can expect up to 6 hours of gaming and up to 14 hours of video streaming. Pretty good for a device that comes in at just 7.6mm thickness. Software-wise, we're looking at Flyme 7.3 built on top of Android Pie, which brings a smoother user experience with faster app launch speeds and increased standby mode. Other extras include dual-frequency GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, and NFC. Gamers will be happy to hear that the 16S features Meizu's new Hyper Gaming mode, which provides smoother graphics performance while consuming less power. The company also added the Meizu 3.0 vibration motor for a more immersive tactile experience during gaming sessions. The 16S will come in carbon black, pearl white, and phantom blue colorways. There are 6GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 128GB, and 8GB plus 256GB variants for Meizu 16S. For the most updated prices, please check the link in the description. Again, we'll offer the more competitive prices than other sites. Thanks for watching. See you next time.